Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video series, we will dive into the exciting world of Amibroker, a powerful tool that's a game changer for traders and investors alike. If you are looking to take your trading strategies to the next level, Amibroker might just be the secret weapon you have been searching for. So let's get started by visiting their website. So www.amibroker.com is the website name. So Amibroker is a comprehensive technical analysis and charting platform that empowers users to analyze financial markets, develop robust trading strategies, and make data-driven decisions. Whether you are a seasoned trader or a newcomer to the world of finance, Amibroker's user-friendly interface and extensive features make it a standalone choice. One of the standout features of Amibroker is its advanced charting capabilities. With plenty of chart types, time frames, and technical indicators, users can visualize market trends and patterns like never before. Platform's flexibility allows for deep customization, ensuring that traders can tailor their charts to suit their unique analytical preferences. Amibroker goes beyond basic charting with its powerful backtesting engine. This feature enables users to test their trading strategies against historical data, providing valuable insights into the performance of their approaches over time. Backtesting is a crucial step in refining and optimizing trading strategies, and Amibroker excels in this aspect. And for those who crave for automation, Amibroker supports the development of custom trading system using its AFL language, which is meant for Amibroker Formula Language. This scripting language allows users to create and implement complex trading algorithms, turning their strategies into automated trading systems. It's a game changer for those who seek efficiency and precision in their trading execution. In this tutorial series, I'll walk you through the basics of Amibroker, from setting up your first chart to designing and backtesting your own trading strategies. Whether you are interested in day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, Amibroker's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of trading strategies. So, get ready to unlock the full potential of your trading journey with Amibroker. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I'll guide you through the ins and outs of this powerful tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the new videos. Thank you.